everyone! Today I'm drawing Baby Shark's whole family. Let's draw and paint them together. First I'm drawing the Daddy Shark. I love drawing and painting Shark family. Please try to draw and paint with me. Do you know the Baby Shark song? It's a very famous song. Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. Let's draw the mommy shark. Do you like Baby Shark? I love Baby Shark so much. A tisket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love and on the way I dropped. Now I'm drawing the Grandma Shark here. Grandma Shark has glasses. He picked it up and put it in his pocket. And now I'm drawing the Grandpa Shark. Grandpa Shark has a mustache.